This is a question that came up recently inside the Families Fly Free membership, and I think it's a question most people do not know the answer to, so I wanted to make a video and tell you about it. So the question is, can I transfer Chase Ultimate Rewards points to my spouse's frequent flyer program? And the answer to this is yes. So you can also, inside Chase Ultimate Rewards, you can combine points with a spouse or anyone living in the same household, one other person you can select. So not only can you combine them, and you can do that at no charge, but you also can move them to that person's frequent flyer program. So, for example, Southwest is a transfer partner for Chase Ultimate Rewards, so I can move my Chase Ultimate Rewards to my husband's Southwest Rapid Rewards account if I want to. In the terms and conditions for Chase, it does say that person needs to be an authorized user, so that will have to be in play, but you can transfer points to one another's loyalty accounts. Generally, I recommend when you're dealing with Southwest or any loyalty account that one person collects the majority of the points. So remember that when you're thinking about transferring, you may not need to transfer it to another person. You may be able to transfer it to your own account and book everything from there, but it definitely is an option.